Hello everyone. In this 2-minute revision lesson today, we shall be revising the topic quantitative research methods, experiments. Experiments aim to discover causal relationships by manipulating one or more variables to observe their effect. There are two types: laboratory experiments and field experiments. Laboratory experiments are highly controlled. Researchers manipulate variables in an artificial setting. A famous example is Slatin and Harvey 1975, who studied teachers' expectations based on children's photographs. They found that teachers' perceptions were influenced by social class and race, highlighting unconscious biases. The key strength here is control over variables, allowing for reliable replication and clear cause and effect conclusions. However, laboratory experiments can lack validity. Because the setting is artificial, participants may behave differently, a phenomenon known as the experimental effect. This reduces the extent to which results reflect real-life behavior. Field experiments take place in real-world settings, like Sisson's 1970 study at Paddington Station, where an actor dressed differently to observe how social class affected strangers' willingness to help. Field experiments offer greater ecological validity because behavior is more natural. Yet, field experiments are less controlled. Other variables can influence outcomes, making it difficult to establish clear cause and effect links. Ethical concerns also arise, particularly around informed consent and deception, when participants are unaware they are part of a study. An important concept linked to experiments is the Hawthorne effect. First observed in the 1920s at the Western Electric Company's Hawthorne Works, researchers found that workers improved productivity simply because they knew they were being observed, not because of actual changes in working conditions. This shows how participants' awareness of being studied can influence their behavior. In conclusion, experiments, whether laboratory or field, are powerful for uncovering causal relationships, but researchers must be cautious about balancing control, ethics, and real-world relevance. Dear student, a link to a detailed lesson on this topic is available in the video description. You may want to study it further to deepen your understanding. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.